The Texas Department of Transportation boasts the largest inventory of bridges in the United States, so preservation is vital to maintaining their system. This video will highlight how the department recently used hydro-demolition technology and latex-modified concrete on a project in the Dallas district to rehabilitate and preserve a bridge deck in just over 2 weeks during the winter of 2021. The 230-foot-long bridge is located on State Route 342 over US 175 in Dallas, Texas. The bridge deck was showing signs of deterioration and the bridge expansion joints were also failing. TXDOT engineers made the decision to preserve rather than to replace the bridge deck, saving both time and money. The rehabilitation of a bridge deck with hydrodemolition and latex-modified concrete consists of 4 steps. The first step of the process is to mechanically mill the bridge deck surface. This efficiently and cost-effectively removes an initial layer of concrete from the top of the deck surface. The removed concrete is simultaneously loaded into dump trucks for easy disposal. Mechanical milling exposes the pores, cracks, and irregularities in the concrete and provides an ideal surface for the hydrodemolition water jets to attack. Upon completion of the mechanical milling operation, the deck is cleaned and visually inspected for any problems that could be detrimental to the concrete overlay installation, such as remaining delaminated concrete or potential full-depth repairs. The second step of the process is the hydrodemolition operation over the entire bridge deck surface. As the name implies, hydrodemolition is a process in which deteriorated concrete is removed utilizing a high-pressure water jet. This is a much safer, faster, and more cost-effective operation than jackhammering. The hydrodemolition robot is calibrated to determine the correct settings for pressure, flow rate, and machine movements, ensuring the selective removal of all weakened concrete while providing a very bondable surface with just one pass of the jet. The third step of the process is cleanup and preparation of the existing deck to receive the new latex-modified concrete. The entire deck is high-pressure water blasted at 7,500 psi to thoroughly clean and wet the deck to a saturated surface dry condition before the overlay is poured. The deck is then covered with plastic to help protect it from collecting debris and also to maintain the saturated deck state up until the time of pour. A finish machine is set up to ensure the proper plan grades and profiles are achieved for the new surface. The fourth and final step of the bridge repair process is the installation of the new latex-modified concrete overlay. LMC overlays were first used over 50 years ago and have provided a viable alternative to costly bridge deck replacements ever since. The concrete mix design includes 24.5 gallons per cubic yard of latex emulsion, which helps to make the LMC highly bondable and impermeable. Volumetric type mixtures are used to batch the concrete on site using state-approved materials, and the freshly mixed LMC is then placed directly onto the prepared surface. Crews work continuously and uninterrupted until the entire deck overlay is in place. The curing of LMC consists of wetted strips of burlap, followed by a layer of plastic that provides an evaporation shield. After 2 days of wet curing, the burlap and plastic are removed to allow for 2 days of air-dry curing. The new LMC overlay is then traffic ready at 4,000 psi. The new rigid concrete overlay will remain securely bonded to the existing deck for up to 30 years through the mechanical interlock of the hydrodemolition process and the chemical adhesion of the latex modifier. The use of hydrodemolition surface preparation and LMC overlays has been in practice for over 40 years throughout the United States. Engineers have used this safe and economic solution to preserve thousands of bridge decks across the country. There is not a more proven bridge deck overlay material used in the United States than latex-modified concrete.